Hello everyone. In last videos we studied how to find cube of a number, two-digit number starting with 1, like 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Also we studied how to find cube of two-digit number ending with 1, like 21, 20, 21, 31, 41, 51. Today in this video, let's see how to find the cube of same digits, two-digit number but both digits same, like 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, like this. But before that, once I again explain starting how to find cube of two-digit number starting with 1 and ending with 1. One example I explain and then I continue of same digits and then different digits. Okay, now first I take with starting with 1. Now I write here, I take here 15 cube we want. Okay, 15 cube, we have to find 15 cube. Now here first number write as it is, 1 as it is. Second number as it is, second number 5 as it is, means tens place digit, unit place digit. After that you write here square of this number. 5 5s are 25. Okay, after that write cube of this, and cube is 125. First number, second number, square of this, cube of this. After that first number and last number leave it, don't write anything there. Double of this, double of 5 10 and double of 25 50, and now add here, addition. Now from 125 take 5 down and this 12 carry over here for addition. Okay, only one digit we have to take down, this 12 will come here. Now addition here, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 2 plus 1, 5 plus 2 7 plus 8, 8 you carry over, don't write here, take only one digit. Again addition, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 10 23, then from 23 I write 3 and 2 carry over, and again addition here, 2 plus 1 3, and it is the cube of 15. 3375 is the cube of 15 starting with 1. Okay, now cube of the number ending with 1. Now ending with 1 I write here, I take number 41. Okay, 41 cube ending with 1. Now when we start by 1, we started from left side, 1 5. If there is ending with 1, you start from this side, right side, 1 unit place, tens 4 here, tens place 4 as it is. Here 1 5, go from this side, 4 1 is ending with, come from that side. Okay, now square of this here, square of this 16, here square, and here cube. Cube of 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay, same way, but from back side. First number and last number leave it. Double of this 32, double of 16, and double of 4 8. And now here addition. When we add, take only one digit, unit place, and tens place carry over. Now here 1 as it is, addition 1. 4 plus 8 12. From 12 write only 2 and 1 carry over. Write down or top anywhere, but carry over. Addition now, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. 3 plus 1 4, 4 will come here. Okay, to carry, it is carried over 4. 4, now addition, nothing is here. 64 plus 4, 68. 68,921 is the cube of 41. Here it is starting with 1 and here it is started from or ended with 1. Now examples of two categories we studied, starting with 1, ending with 1. Now both digits same, both 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Okay, now let's see here. I take easy example, 11 cube. 11 cube. First number, second number. When both digits are same, then take directly cube of each digit, because both are same, no? Means any. Cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 1 is 1. Here also I write same, here also I write same, and here also same. Means whatever cube is of that number, you write that number 4 times. 4 times. First number and last number leave it. Double of 1, 2, double of 1, 2, and do addition here. 1, 3, 3, 1 is the cube of 11. Is it easy? Again, one example I write here. I write now 44 cube. Okay, 44 cube. What is cube of 4? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64 4 times. 64, for your understanding, I separate them. 64 4 times. Cube of 4, 4 times. First number and last number leave it. Okay, double of this 128, double of this 128. Right? Now add, but take only unit place down. From 64 I take only 4 and 6 carry over. Carry over 6. Addition, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 1 carry over to next. Now addition of this, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Then 19 carry over. Addition of this here, 19. Don't write down, take only one digit. Addition again, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8, 21. From 21 take only 1, 21. Okay, here 21. Now 2 carry over in this addition. Addition here now, 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 11, 1 will come here again, here this 2, 21. 21 will come here, and last addition now 85, and it is the cube. 85,184 is the cube of 44. We can find directly cube. Okay, now one more example I take. 66 cube. Okay, now cube of 6. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Correct na? 66 6 are 6 6 are 36, 3 carried over, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 216. Correct. So cube of 6 is 216. Write 4 times. 216, 216, 216 and 216. 4 times. Digits are same. First number and last number leave it. Double of this 432, double of this 432. Now let's add. Now in addition, take only one digit, 6. This 21 will come here. Addition of only unit, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. And addition of this will come here. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. 4 plus 2, 6 here. only one digit you take down. Now here addition, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, write only 4 and 1 will again come here. Now addition here, 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 will come here. From that 1 carry over, 6 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 here. And last addition now, 7, 8, 2. 2,87,496 is the cube of 66. In this way we can find cube of 2-digit number with same digits. Now fourth category of the number is both digits different. Just now we studied both digits same. Now both digits different. For example 23, different digits, 23, cube. Now here what we have to do, here first number cube, you write here, first number cube is 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 8. Okay, after that second, square of first into second. Do the square of first number into second number. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Here 12. After that second square into first number, second square, 3 square, here see, second square into first, second square 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Okay, and at last second number cube means 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now again first number, last number leave it, double of this 24, double of this 36. And here addition now. While adding you take only one digit down, second carry forward. From 27 take only 7 and 2 will come here. Carry over, right on top, here down, no problem. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. Okay, 16. From 16, 6 here, 1 carried over. Now addition of these numbers will come here, because we want only one digit down. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 will come here. Now here also in adding take only one digit. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 11. 11, 1 carried over. And addition of these 3 will come here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 will come here. 8 plus 4, 12. 12,167 is the cube of 23. 2 different digits. Okay, only one thing you have to see carefully, here, here and here only one digit, only one unity place digit you have to take down.